Well, hey guys, and welcome to another episode of BFF. Now, please try and guess what day it is today. McDonald's Day is Friday, isn't it, you guys? So this is what these guys get after a hard week of work at school, eh, you guys?
Nuggets.
Emily hit 20 nuggets. You've just missed David, but he'll be on YouTube Shorts. He did a quadruple cheeseburger thing.
Yeah, bacon double cheeseburger. Take off the top bun. That double cheeseburger. Take off the two buns. And you put that on. And then the top bun has the bacon double cheeseburger. And it's like this big.
Huge. So guys, we are heading up north of Scotland in the Caravan. It's going to be dark very shortly, so we're heading up in the dark, aren't we? That's going to be really cool. We'll first have to go and get Lucy. So guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit notifications. That'd be cool. David and Emily have got this channel, their Birnie Family Fun Shorty Shorts and Gaming channel. Oh, it's getting darker now. Yeah, we're up to our friend Willie's farm, and hopefully you can see just over there, that's our caravan. And we're going to go away and pull her out very shortly. I think Emily and David are looking for the dogs. There's 2 sheepdogs. Yeah, so Dad's got a repair job to do. Look, something must have jumped up and smashed the front of the caravan there, so I've got to fix that. Yeah, guys, for those of you who don't know, I'm just going to hook this up to the Land Rover. And he's more than powerful. That's Frank. He's more than powerful to pick up Lucy. Hey, Lucy. And check it out, you guys. Actual sheepdogs. I'm sorry about the light. It's starting to get really dark. Look at that. Hopefully this bit of the video turns out okay, but check them out. Where's Doggy? Oh, look, there she goes, she's lined out, look. See her running across there? Stuart's just told he's whistling, watch. That's Willie, isn't it? Yeah, so what Willie's trying to do is he's training her. Look, he's got one set of sheep here, look, and he's got sheep up there. You see her chasing them? She'll go right round the front of them, look. That is awesome. There she looked right in front of Willie. She stopped to get down in the grass, look. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, it is just about getting dark. So we're at the side of the road, aren't we? Now guys, that's Inverness over that way, and that's north we're heading, isn't it?
7, I think. And let's try and make it far along.
Okay. And look, we've got the caravan, we're just getting hitched up, ready to go. Everybody's getting a wee pee break. Oh, Luke. Hello, my boy. Is that better? As we keep saying in these videos, he's got a strange relationship. I don't know what it is with Emily. He just...
Even though he's David's.
Yeah, he's just... She's got away with him for some reason. Yeah, guys, we are here. Bailey is really tired, aren't you, Bills? You tired, Bills? Oh, she's almost out. And Spike, you know where we are, don't you, son? David's busy watching about YouTube Shorts. He's got really good 4G, haven't you?
Yep.
My phone's rubbish. Hey. Here's that boy. How's that? How's that? You know where you are. You know where you are. You see Billy?
No, he's looking at me.
Oh, is he looking at you? Hello.
No, he's looking somewhere else.
All this boy knows is cameras, eh?
Cameras and phones.
Cameras and photos. Eh? Because you're such a beautiful boy. Check him out, guys, look. Is he okay? It'll just take a little while to get used to the place, but I don't know if it's only smell, I don't know what it is, he just... Eh? Is that your mummy, son? Is that your mummy? And yeah, Bailey's just been out for a walk, so she is actually quite tired.
Earlier she went on a walk, ran around, was crazy in the car.
Mm. And he's off.
Coming at me. Activate bridge.
Activate the bridge.
Bridge mode. Thank you.
He's heading over to it.
Or what is he doing?
As per usually, will take quite a while making decisions. Won't you, son? Oh yes, he's away. He managed to get across today. Yeah, he's just having a look around, isn't he? He's a little boy, he's just wakened. We're all just wakened, aren't we? You just wakened, Spike? There he goes. Oh.
No, not
Oh, spiky. It's okay, David's not pregnant or anything, like he's just got a football under there.
on the boy now.
Oh no, there's oh, spike. Yeah, so guys, we can't let him eat any of this stuff or lick any of this stuff. Don't we, Spike? So when he gets off that plate, he's getting removed from the top there. Hey, Sunny boy. So he's quite happy.
When Spike sees someone, he goes,
He does, doesn't he? Oh, he's a lovely boy. And this is the bed right out, guys. For the first time in I don't know how long, we've put the big bed out at the front here. Boy, he's a good boy. He's a lovely boy. Spike's still up there, isn't he? He's a pretty dog. Look at her. The lovely girl looking outside.
this is the only flag that has purple in it.
David's doing a flags thing, guys. I'm telling you, how we got a flag. This way, you silly dog. Right, so that's a sight with Bailey, guys. Yeah, so the first kind of look at the caravan park, it's basically like a bit of a car park actually. You're a pain, doggy, a pain. Yeah, she's so much fun, guys, but she is high maintenance, aren't you, Bailey? You're a high maintenance girl, as most Jack Russells are. Yeah, it's Tesla. I wonder if it's Tesla heating. Maybe Tesla solar or something like that. But yes, this is us in Golspie, guys. Golspie. There's a monument right up the top of there. I wonder what that is. Yeah, but I think there's a place we're wanting to visit. It's like an underground, like an ancient underground house. It looks like on the website, anyway. Knee slide down there, sonny boy. Knee slide.
That's what we do.
You can't get to the beach this way, can you? You have to go right along. Because as you'll see over there, guys, that's the water, look. Yeah, nice though. Really nice and simple, isn't it? Are you going to try that? You're going to try it down there, are you? David's going to try his knee slides. It's football sliding tackles. Ah, too early, son. Just learning. Just learning. Takes time. See, when I was little, everybody knew how to play football. So we didn't have games consoles and YouTube and satellite TV. Well, that's Bailey emptied now. That's her sorted out. Oh, yeah, but nice. Yeah, so we're going to have to head out soon, eh, sonny boy? And he's on it. Yeah, so still got this kind of major damage in the front of the caravan, guys. We have to get a proper look at that, I think. Hey, sonny boy, we broke that on the way back from Ullapool. So we'll have to check. Oh, a bit of water leaking out of this. There we go. I'll push that down.
Okay.
That's our fresh water. That's it. It's just a bit out. Yeah, she's a good old girl, this one. I'll tell you, she's 2000. What was she? 2003. Eh, she's just a tiny bit younger than Frank. Our Land Rover's a 2002. Look at this man, Miss Mummy. Is he looking out the window, son? You love your mummy, don't you? You love your mum. That lovely wee thing. And of course, what you're seeing, guys, is Davido. You're seeing young Davs over there, you see. Mummy loves him. He's just looking out to see what's going on. Son. Yeah, so we've still got Frank's wheels to paint. Look, we got them a few months ago now. We just haven't got round to doing it. And I think what we're going to do is silver and then matte black for the actual spokes, you know, the bits that go in and out. That was the first thing. This is the first caravan holiday I think we ever had in this car. And I scraped that bit there on one of those electrical points. See that electrical point there? And we're back, eh? And the wee man's always happy when he's with his mummy, son. Eh? Always happy on your holidays. Oh.
Hello. What are you saying, mister? Am I gonna kiss you?
Don't know what he's deciding to do. Yeah, you love your mummy. Yeah, so guys, we're just sitting watching a little bit of Iron Man 3. Eh? David's choice. He's a lovely boy. Hello, son. Hello, son. He's off. He's looking.
2 legs out.
Do you want to come over to see me? I wonder if he will. I'll put my legs in. Hello, Emily. My name is Mr. Left Shoe. I don't know if you've ever noticed on these videos, guys, but I really don't care what I look like at all, really. You come on, young man. Come on. No, Emily, don't. See if you come. Come on, son. I think he's going to head on to Mummy, isn't he? No. Yeah, baby. I'll tell you, some of these guys can still have fun. Look, there's nothing here, is there, guys? Really? When you think about it.
2 wooden posts there.
Uh-huh.
We're using them as football goals.
Nice.
And Emily with the kicker. Or in real football, the striker.
Right, so what David and Emily are doing at the moment is a game called KERBIE. I used to play when I was very young because we didn't have games consoles or YouTube. And the idea is...
We're doing it, but we can kick as well.
You can kick as well. But what you do is you throw the ball to hit the curb, and obviously if it bounces back to you, then it's 10 points.
We're playing it different.
We're doing it a little bit different. Alright, we're not doing points. We're just having fun, aren't we? Yeah, so then you go to the middle, and you keep going. Now if you miss, and the other person catches it, you have to run back. And if they hit you, they get all your points. It's all over. David's going for the big overhand. Oh, that was so close. So over the back of your head like that, son, is 30 points. We're not really doing points anyway, we're just mucking around. Here she goes, the destroyer. She gets 2 bounces, yes! She's done it. David wasn't supposed to come out, that's okay. So now Emily goes to the middle. If she misses and David gets it, see, I just put her under pressure. Run back, run back, run back! Oh, David throws a wild one. Yes. It's like 7:13 here in Scotland at the moment, yes.
And it's pitch black.
It's pitch black. If it was summertime, we'd be down at the beach just now. Oh, close. Here's David with the over. He's got a couple of these. Oh, David, that was close.
I think we should stopping their throws and not do it that way.
Aye, try and do it up the way.
Because that way it's just going down.
Yeah. He's ready and waiting. Nice! Oh, and it bounced back over. Unlucky Emily. It was good though. Still got it. He's got it!
Go get it!
That was it. Oh, did I catch it on camera, guys? But that was the over. Right, here he goes. So Emily, watch for him missing. As soon as you get that ball, you throw it at the back of his legs. You've got... Oh. I think he meant that. Nah, surely not, son. Yeah. Oh, this man's got a good aim. I'll tell you, that's so close, son. There's Missy going for it. Oh, so close.
This is actually fun.
It is good, isn't it? An old game. What's that, Billy? Oh, she's out. Because just thinking about the next one. That's the rain, by the way, guys. Listen. David and Emily are out in the car. It's raining, Billy, isn't it? She has just had enough after that, hasn't she? Try to think of the next movie, aren't we, Billy? Eh? What's the next movie going to be? I'll tell you something, guys. This dog can play hard and chill hard. Look at this. Look at the legs. Eh? She He is just so tired. It's bedtime snack time. Bedtime snack time, people.